And a fresh Hicky boy did have.
A fresh Hicky. Fresh
come change the
text
topic.
me now. And he text me after to me say, if why we did it, if Mr. Hicky pan in it, me say me never look at me I look for police next for.
D, you have your man, you must know when your man have on a fresh Hicky.
First,
you must know the
first.
Hicky. Him say me put on the Hicky the 14.
I now blood clot tell, go so alive. But he got woman and Yaad. And then he want company me that go argue.
That means Hicky want me get. That means Hicky want me get to supposed to steal the power mine. Like remember see me a bleach, you know.
Up a film yard, me can shop man do everything a film place. Make sure you go, but when you come up and come in at my place, problem. You're not interested.
I'm probably afraid. Cause as a man.
You're not afraid. It was all about him.
They've never come up there before.
Never ever. I went different smart.
Well, and he was glad because I know everybody feel well. Look at it like God did stop him. And everybody welcome in your yard.
That's how I see it.
And everybody welcome in your yard because if he over in life, I call you big mouth and the things them. Who to tell him would I come tell you your yard now in your house dirty? And where you put on in the front jars, dirty jars, they say you and you tile it dirty. So it's good saying no come saying I have not much for talk about your yard. So sometimes it work out for the best. Boy, I'm not surprised till because I'm seeing the building up, but I know that cause you are.
I don't care if my chat me can use the whole social media and chat me that now have nothing to do with me. In that now no should I shame. I yesterday I go play with the ex when obsessed with him, obsessed over bling a bar. Him obsessed.
Bling I want. Bling I don't want him. You know put out bling a pump on the internet. Big spender, like a money chender. No guys, he can't this Annie. I figure talk to him. He can't over there this Annie. Come on, man.
Right. My yard look better than female.
I said to him, say, listen, I don't know why you need your Annie need to talk. And him send me his number, send me for call him. But talk, where I call him? Where I call him at all?
No, come on, Vanny, me go with. Don't no be off of talking to me. I don't want no talk to him. Him tell all my gifters them reach out to me and tell me the truth. None of my gifters they don't want me chat to him. They say run that way. He might reach out to me. He call me all this squad. I go me no answer it. What me answer him for? Whom?
So where my ring you for?
That I want to know.
Everybody big up. Everybody
I want to know. Guys, thank you so much. Vanny, see you later, baby.
Alright, later. T-Man.
Yeah, that tell him.
Guys, triple.
Ivany tell him man in truth.
T-Man.
Me see you tell Roger the truth when I drunk. Me know. You're telling me truth when I drunk. Guys, when I drunk, I see them talk, I the truth them talk. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Guys,
come on,
you're muted. Guys, use the times 3. My best day on a fish, not there. Guys, don't let this man win. We already have 2. We're trying to give him fucking 6. Don't let him win.
Yes, man, guys. I the truth she attack.
He don't mess with you,
who's that girl?
Probably can't. Yo, the peoples are crazy. Guys, triple. Thank you, baby. No rose and gloves, y'all. No rose.
Them.
Why you let him win? Now he gonna break
him.
Oh, we got to put your nose.
Yeah.
What happened? Guys, use the gloves.
Who's that girl? As a single father, you better be a JJ. Prophet can't reach. Me not say that, you know, because I'm bad.
Bro, don't call his name.
Ivany, you small.
The race is not for the swift, but who can endure it. Simple mean it's not over!
Block him. Block him, guys. Block him.
Y'all help Prophet on the gloves. We cannot lose this match, y'all.
Guys, push up now, guys.